if I wind the clock back a little bit, when we started HubSpot, we started HubSpot actually 13 years ago yesterday.
Happy birthday.
And it was based on a very simple idea. And the idea behind HubSpot originally was humans had changed. They had changed the way they shopped and purchased things. They had gotten very good at blocking out ads and blocking out cold calls and blocking out emails and TV ads and everything. And increasingly, they were spending time online. Instead of reading newspapers, they were reading blogs. Instead of listening to the radio, they were listening to podcasts. Instead of watching TV, they were in YouTube. And so the basic idea with HubSpot was there's an arbitrage opportunity for marketers to match the way they go to market with the way modern humans actually buy stuff. So we enable people to create content online, get found in Google, get found in social, that sort of thing. And it turns out we were onto something back then. And we called it inbound, and we contrasted it with outbound, and we built a platform to help you do that. And really, for the first 10 years of HubSpot, we were in that business of helping people take advantage of sort of that opening that the internet provided people, and it's worked out great. That opening is still there, and I'll confess to you all, it's a small crowd that I would hope you don't tweet this. That opening's closed a little bit. That the internet itself is more pay-to-play than it's ever been. It used to be when you searched in Google, 2006, you weren't searching on your mobile phone. You search in Google, there were a few little tiny subtle ads on the right-hand side of Google. Now, when you search in Google on your mobile phone, the whole damn page is ads. You have to scroll down to get by the ads. And Facebook's become pay-to-play, and Twitter, and everything's kind of become pay-to-play. So there's room still there. Content marketing, inbound marketing still is very effective and has tremendous amount of leverage. I think there's a new arbitrage opportunity on the internet that's just come sort of alive over the last couple of years. And how can I even describe it? I guess I'll describe it with I've done this before with my daily routine. So most mornings, not today, but most mornings I wake up in my apartment in Boston. And I wake up on a Casper mattress, which is a new type. You know what Casper mattress, you have those here? Okay. And then after I wake up, I take, these are my Warby Parker, you have Warby Parker glasses here?
Yeah. Just about.
One person. It's a subscription service basically, because it's a new type of internet model. And then I take out my phone and I press Spot, do you have Spotify here?
Yeah.
You have Spotify. And I listen to...
We're not that backward.
And I listen to the Grateful Dead, and I dance around the Grateful Dead with my dog, and all excited in the morning, trying to get fired up. And then I go in the bathroom and I shave, not with my Gillette razor, but with my Dollar Shave Club razor. It's a subscription to razors. And then I go to get changed, and I don't have to think about getting changed because I have my new Stitch Fix outfit. Do you have Stitch Fix?
No.
No, you're missing Stitch Fix. Don't I look great?
Well, you do. We got to get
Fix. Stitch Fix is, you go online, and it's a subscription service for clothes, and then I finish all that, and I take my Uber to work. And I just think about my morning routine, and you may think it's boring. I know you do. I think it's very exciting. Here's what's exciting. Those 6 companies I referred to that I use every day of my life, startups, little tiny companies, less than 10 years old, growing like a weed. Unbelievable growth. They've completely displaced the incumbents in my house. I don't use a Sealy mattress anymore. I don't wear old school glasses anymore. I don't use Gillette. I don't go to the Gap anymore. I don't take a cab anymore. I use these new companies. Now, what's going on? Why did I switch? How did these companies infiltrate our lives? How did they turn their industries on their head? Well, I'll tell you what I think. None of them really innovated on the product at all. Same damn music, same damn mattress, same damn razor, same damn clothes. It wasn't a technology disruption. The internet used to be all about technology disruption. I think of them as experience disruptors. What they did, they weren't the first to market with their product. They were first to market with one of these just delicious end-to-end experiences. And what do those experiences have in common? This is going to be depressing, but one of the things they have in common is no human touch. They got the humans, us inefficient human beings, out of that process. 2, almost all of them are subscription-based models. 3, they're all just very light and airy and mostly powered by word of mouth. And I think of these businesses, I describe them as experience disruptors. And I think this is the future for all of us today, whether in B2C selling a mattress or B2B selling a piece of software or machine tool or something like that. It's nailing that end-to-end experience. That is the new arbitrage opportunity on the internet, is nailing that and getting really good at that end-to-end experience. This is why HubSpot has moved from being a marketing tool to help you generate leads to, gosh, we have a marketing, sales, service, we have this whole darn thing, and we want to help, because we want to help people become experience disruptors and create these new experiences for their customers. So this is the path we've been on for the last few years.